The government of Jamaica is committed to carrying out the needed transformation of communities through the zones of special operations. Prime Minister Andrew Holness was at an OPM Live Youth Community Forum recently and tells us more.
We will stay with the communities for as long as it takes for them to be normalized. And by normalized, we mean that the community owns the peace. It is the citizens that ensure their peace. And to get to that culture where communities own their peace, yes, it does take some time and it does take some hand-holding. It means we have to put in infrastructure. It means that we have to be training persons. We have to facilitate persons being able to get their IDs, for example, to get them health checks, to deal with the parenting issues that exist, to deal with the informal settlements that may exist in those communities, and all of those things take time. So yes, the zones of special operations were designed as a long-term measure. We will stay with the communities for as long as it takes. We have identified 20 communities in Jamaica that account for more than 50% of the crime. And if we are able to provide the resources, we should be able to bring those communities under the program of special zones of operations and make a significant impact in the medium to long term on the trajectory of crime in the country.